Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix low text HTML ratio in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having a problem with low or text ratio in Shopify here, well, there are a few things that you need to consider. So basically, a low text to HTML ratio basically means your pages have too much code compared to actual readable text. And when that happens, search engines like Google don't get enough real content to understand what your page is about, and that can hurt your SEO and even make your site feel bloated, or in this case, slow it down. Now, first thing that you want to make sure here is whenever you're adding details or different information about products or basically different pages on your Shopify store, just make sure that you add meaningful content. Like for example, let's go to one of our products here, click on products. Let's go open up this product here. So you want to make sure that whenever you're editing this one is you're adding meaningful content here. Now also, if you click on show HTML here, you might notice that there's like tags on it. Just make sure that you don't have like empty tags on this one, like empty divs, empty p or paragraphs here, and basically optimize it. Now in this case, this actually reduces or improves your low to text HTML ratio here, which in this case will also improve your SEO. Now we all know SEO also in this case is related to your product as well, so it is a great way for you to optimize it. Now, for other pages or whatever you currently have right now, or pages that you set up yourself, again, you may want to check your in this case your content. Make sure they're meaningful and they actually make sense in some way, because again, Google or search engines out there actually read through the content that your website is or currently has. Now, another thing that you may want to do here, speaking of like tags, is whenever you're going to your online store here and going to themes and customizing your code here, let's go on the edit code option. So just make sure that you don't have too much like empty divs or empty paragraphs or any empty tags here, and just basically optimize it again and remove any of those empty tags, because again this actually affects how you actually affects your text to HTML ratio here, which in this case if you do optimize this one, this will improve your problem for this one. Now, if you're not sure how to exactly improve this, it is recommended that you consult with a developer to get more, or in this case, to get more understand or get the best chances of optimizing your website. Now, with that said, speaking of getting a developer here, another thing that you may want to take in consideration is changing, or in this case, identify or look into the theme that you currently have. Now, obviously, if you're using the Dawn theme here, it's fairly optimized. You don't have to worry about it. But if you're using other themes out there, sometimes they're not fully optimized. So hiring a developer here can actually help you a lot if you want to optimize that specific theme. But then again, that actually involves you going into the code here. But then again, hiring a developer will make things a lot easier for you. And yeah, also watch out for like different third-party apps that you install. Sometimes some apps may be the one causing this issue for you. So in this case, limit the number of apps that you're using here, or just make sure that the app itself is not bloated, because sometimes if they're bloated, it will bloat your site as well. So yeah, so make sure try uninstalling the app and see if that actually improves your text and HTML ratio. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.